Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Chibi Skin and Body Secrets. So today I'll be sharing a very simple, effective lip scrub you can make at home. This is a DIY video on how to make lip scrub. So without wasting much of our time, I'll just give a very simple definition of our lip scrub. If you don't know what lip scrub does, it's the same thing with body scrub. Lip scrubs helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and improve lip brightening. Yes, when you use lip scrub, it will help you improve your lips in terms of brightening and also exfoliate your lips. When you have dark lips, using lip scrubs will help you exfoliate that dark lips and brighten it for you. Also, lip scrub helps your lips feel smooth and soft. That is one thing I love about lip scrub. So the benefits of lip scrub. I will give you 3 benefits of lip scrub. Why you should use or why you should get or buy lip scrub. 1. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells on the lips. If you are looking for something to exfoliate your lips, you go for lip scrub. Helps to smooth out lips texture. Okay, yes. The second one on my list is moisturize. It will moisturize your lips, leaving it beautiful, fresh, without cracking your lips or without your lips getting dried. That is one thing I love about lip scrub. The third one on my list is it helps to improve lip color. When you exfoliate your lips regular, it will help you improve your lip. The first ingredient on my list is sugar. Yes, sugar is one of the best exfoliants to use in making your lip scrub. It is a natural exfoliant, so that is our base. Our base is sugar. You can use the plain white sugar, you can use the brown sugar, whichever one you wish to use or you have. Okay, second one is honey. While making your lip scrub, we need something that will moisturize the lips, which is honey. It helps to moisturize and smooth out the lips. So if you're scrubbing, you will not get hurt while scrubbing. The honey in that scrub will help you smoothen your lips and also moisturizes your lips. So that is why we needed honey in this lip scrub. So the third one is coconut oil. It also moisturizes the lips and nourishes the lips. Yes, it nourishes the lips and moisturizes the lips. So we have 2 moisturizers in these lips, and it will help you brighten your lips from that dark lip to a pink lip. When you use it constantly, like regular, it will do that for you. The fourth one on my list is essential oil. Yes, you can add flavor, any essential oil of your choice. It is fine. If you don't have essential oil, you can use flavor, anyone you want to use. So let's dive into the video on how to make this lip scrub. So this is our DIY lip scrub recipe. 1. You add your sugar, 1 tablespoon of your sugar and 1 tablespoon of your coconut oil mixed together. The next one is your honey. Add 1 tablespoon of your honey into the mixture, into the sugar and the coconut mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of our honey. And the next one is essential oil. Any essential oil of your choice. Just add few drops, like 3-4 drops is enough. The next one is to scrub your lips. Yes, gently scrub your lips in a circular motion and rinse with warm water. Okay, but if you don't have warm water, you can just wipe. Okay, just clean the scrub off your lips after scrubbing gently. Scrub gently, okay, in a circular motion. When you're done scrubbing, rinse with warm water. But if you don't have warm water with you that moment, you can also wipe your lips out. Like, look for something to wipe off the sugar on your lips. Okay, so that is how to make lip scrub. You can see it's very easy to make. So these are the tips I'll be sharing on how to use this lip scrub. Okay, be gentle when scrubbing your lips to avoid irritation on the lips. Use your scrub 1 or 2 times in a week to maintain a healthy lips. The next thing to do is to apply a lip balm after scrubbing your lips to help your lips look more healthy and to keep that moisture on your lips. So guys, that is the end. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the post. Bye.